Hey, today we're back with another student recipe. This one is delicious. Creamy sausage tomato pasta sauce. Check it out. Okay, so let's make this recipe. It is literally so easy. We're just going to take some olive oil into your pan and then just get it on the heat. And then you're just going to take some chopped onions. You can use an onion, a normal fresh onion, or you can use a frozen onion, whatever it is that you've got. I like frozen onions, they're cheap, they'll last for ages, you don't have to cut them. And just get that into the oil and start it going round. That'll start to heat in a minute and it'll just soften it nicely. We're going to add some chopped garlic. Again, I'm using frozen. It's cheap, it's easy. You've always got it in your freezer, you can just take it in and out. Even if you've got a tiny student freezer, these are really small packages, it'll still work. And then just give it a good mix around and wait till that begins to soften. Right, so next you're taking some sausages. I've just cut the skin down the middle and taken the skin off. So you can put the sausages in. So you're really just using the sausage meat and you're just giving it a mix around as if it was like mince, you know, if you were doing something like that. So it's going to be more sausage meaty. And you just want to start to fry that off in little bits. Okay, when you get to this stage, you are just adding in the rest of your ingredients. I'm adding in a can of chopped tomatoes, about 250 mils of passata go in, and then your rosemary. I'm just adding about a teaspoonful, and you don't need that many herbs if you're a student, but rosemary and oregano or just Italian herbs works really well. And then you're just adding a good sort of blob of cream cheese. And you can just use like the lowest, cheapest brand, it works just as well. And then you're just mixing that gently all around and you're going to get this beautiful, low cost, easy made pasta sauce. It'll do a good few nights, so you can take half of it and put it in the freezer if you want. Freeze it in a freezer bag and freeze it flat for another night, or you can simply just share it with a friend. And it's beautiful over the top of pasta. Add in your seasoning, a good bit of salt and pepper, and that is all you need. Get yourself some smart price pasta and you've got a really good, healthy, easy student meal. So if you like those student recipes, remember there is way more. On the Batch Lady channel, I have a host of student recipes going out ready for you to start uni this year, so go and check out the other ones too.